Got some mail from Liquidwillowcats. I want to thank him for sending this, and I'll be using this in the next video when I do some walleye fishing. Yeah, look at all this stuff he sent me. And you can get this stuff at Ace Hardware, or just give him a call. There you go. Look at all this stuff. Thanks for thank Eric for sending that. We'll definitely give her a try. It's definitely going to be bigger than that. So we're still at 4. Come on. Go for a ride. See if we can go with the walleye bite. Guys, the GoPro just quit on me 5 minutes into fishing. I must not have charged it up. But this walleye inhaled that green ringworm, so let's get her unhooked. Looks like about 21. Let's go. There you go. Alright, I've been here 10 minutes. This is my second fish. First one was 21 inches. They gotta be under 20 before you can keep them. I mean, he just inhaled that green ringworm. Look at that. Let's just get a quick measurement just to see if I caught 2 over 20 right off the bat. Oh, look at that. Fell right out of his mouth too. This fish is coming in right at, oh, look at that, 19 and a half. Nice. There you go. That is a beautiful walleye. Alright. It's a little on the bigger side, but we're going to go ahead and keep it because we want to get a quick limit and get out of here. Alright, let's keep going, guys. Give us a good little scent. Rub that in a little. Alright, let's keep going. Come on, buddy. Too bad. Definitely gonna make the fry pan. Nice. Chilly out here, guys. You see how I'm dressed. These walleyes. All I'm using. Nice walleye right there. Just come out for a quick limit. Hopefully, if this makes 15 inches, it's about a 1/4 inch too short, so we'll have to throw it back. Let's get another one. Mission to get a quick limit. If this makes 15. This makes 15. We'll have 4. Nice. Let's get a measurement. 2 hours is almost up. This fish is coming in at Looks like 16. Perfect. Number 4. Let's get one more out of here. You know it's cold out here when I borrowed dude's coat. Don't forget to check this guy out. Stuff works pretty good. A little frozen, but doing the trick. Liquid Willowcats. Check him out. Alright, the GoPro battery quit on me. If this makes 15, I'm out of here, but I'm thinking he's going to be too big. I don't normally like to keep them this big, but I'm in a hurry to get my limit and get out of here. Just over 20. Let's get her back. Nice fish. This is literally every cast now. And they're all big. I'm not kidding you. Literally every cast. If you want to send me some mail, there's my address. From Liquid Willowcats. I want to try this in the Mississippi this spring, but give this guy a call if you guys want some of that stuff. I mean, he put all kinds of stuff in here. I'm going to try some of, maybe we'll try some of this. And then maybe we'll try some of these plastics too, but make sure you guys check them out. You see these walleyes I'm catching. Let's get back to work. Well, now this is a nice walleye. Look where he got hooked at. Look where he's hooked. Hold still. Well, he wasn't hooked in the mouth. This is a nice walleye. This would have given me my number 5. But it hooked him right on the side right here. So we'll have to throw him back. Man, let's see if we can get that number 5 real quick. We gotta go. Just be my number 5 and let's get out of here. Come on, number 5. We gotta go. If this is number 5, it's gonna be too big. Definitely gonna be too big. Well, guys, I was trying to get my number 5, but as you can see, this one's gonna be too big too. It has to be under 20 inches, and this is definitely gonna be bigger than 20. So we're still at 4. Come on. Both batteries on both cameras are so cold that they won't even run anymore. Look at that girl there. Wow. I'm actually using my cell phone to record this to finish this video. Let's get her unhooked. Alright, so what I'm going to do is, like I said, don't forget to check this guy out. Look at this. I'm just going to lay her right beside this tape measure here and we'll see where she's at. Looks like about 25 inches probably. Beautiful walleye. Man. So now I'm still at 4. We'll go ahead and release this girl. There she goes. I'm going to keep these 4. The 5th one was foul hook. So I threw him back. But anyways, we're out of here. Thanks for watching.